Let us see properties of acid and base. We'll start from chemical properties. So first reaction we will see, that is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid react with base, it gives us salt and water. So here hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Whenever any reaction will be there in which two reactants are there, in reactant A, in reactant B. So reactant A's positive radical will react with reactant B's negative radical. So it gives us H plus OH minus, it gives us water. And reactant A's negative radical will combine with reactant B's positive radical. So it will become NaCl, salt. So like this they will give us salt plus water. Another reaction in which active metal reacts with acid. What are the active metals? Those are in the activity series, they are active metals. So when active metals react with acid, they will give us salt and hydrogen gas. Here which acid we are taking? Dilute acid we are taking. It always represents with DIL, dilute. So zinc plus dilute hydrochloric acid will gives us, again zinc is a positive radical, will react with Cl. So ZnCl2, because zinc's combining capacity is +2. So they will interchange the combining capacity by crisscross method. So here it will be ZnCl2. And what left is H2 and not 2H. This will become gas. So any active metal will react with acid and it gives us salt and hydrogen gas, because always in the acid hydrogen will be there. That hydrogen will left and go as a hydrogen gas, and the rest will become salt. Again, now these are series of reaction of acid with chloride, nitrate, bicarbonate and carbonate. Let us first see chloride. How this reaction will go? One salt will react with one acid. It gives us another salt and another acid. The reaction when one salt is reacting with one acid, as a product they are giving us salt and acid only, but the different salt and different acid. That's why it represents here salt, another, that is second salt, another acid means second acid. Let us see first chloride. So sodium chloride when react with sulfuric acid, it is concentrated in the presence of heat, then it gives us NaHSO4. How this has happened? From H2SO4, when it decomposes, it gives H and HSO4 minus. Here it will be H plus. So this H plus will react with this Cl minus, reactant A, reactant B. So this H plus will react with Cl minus, and remaining HSO4 minus will react with Na plus. So it will gives us NaHSO4. So this is our second salt and this is also acid, but this acid and this acid are different. So this is acid 1 and this is acid 2. This is also salt and this is also salt, but both are different. So that's why this is salt 1 and this is salt 2. Similarly, when metal nitrate, sodium nitrate will react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives us NaHSO4 and HNO3. The same way, this will bifurcate in H plus and HSO4 minus. So this H plus will react with NO3. So it will gives us another acid, that is HNO3. And this NaHSO4 will gives us another salt. Now bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, when it reacts with sulfuric acid and that is dilute, then it gives us sodium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. This 2 will gives us a temporary carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. Unstable carbonic acid will give us. When it react with carbonate, sodium carbonate reacting with hydrochloric acid diluted, at that time it will gives us salt, that is sodium chloride, and water and carbon dioxide. These two will together and gives us unstable carbonic acid. So there are chloride and nitrate, they are giving almost same equations, and bicarbonate and carbonate, they are giving salt plus unstable carbonic acid. Always remember, when two reactants are reacting together, especially when it is salt and acid, acid and base, active metal and acid, they are interchanging their positive and negative radical. It will help you to memorize the reaction or to guess the reaction, that what product will come.